Belly, I'm Yardie belly, me and the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, me a set the place on the jam to be happy. Me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly, a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today on Yardie Belly's Kitchen we are making a delicious stuffed sweet potato using some pink salmon. All these ingredients are what we're going to be adding to our potato, so guys, you have to join us in the kitchen for this awesome one. A very healthy way of making dinner and utilizing less carb based or carb emphasized meal. Yeah, sweet potato is great for those who want to avoid excessive carbs, and of course if you want to stay with less impacting type of meal. Yes, let's go with the sweet potato. So the first thing I want to do is you want to take a knife and just stab up the sweet potato, punch a little holes in it, because we're gonna throw it in the microwave for a few. Yes guys, you can start your sweet potato off in the microwave, get it to a certain level of almost baked, but you're not gonna finish it in the microwave. You could finish it there if you want. Yes, you could. All right, so we just microwave it for a little bit, and then we're gonna pop it into our toaster oven to finish up. With the pink salmon, we are using the salmon fillets. These are previously frozen. All right, so we're gonna start with those. A simple thing that I want to do is I want to get off the skin. Yes, with the scales, because salmon do have little small scales. You want to get some boiling water and just pour it over the scales at the back there, and it's supposed to work, guys. It's supposed to work. I'm not telling you that it works every time. It's supposed to work. All right, so you pour the boiling water over the back of the salmon, and with that, it's supposed to easily be able to peel it off. All right, I don't know why this one wasn't working, so I had to use my knife to help the process along. If you know how to de-skin a fillet, you can go ahead and do it that way. All right, so here we have our salmon all de-skinned, and we're gonna be pairing it with all these ingredients right here: tomatoes, lemon, broccoli, onions, sweet pepper, carrots, scallions, and thymes. Yes guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to cut it into little bite-sized pieces. Remember, this is going to be the stuffing for our sweet potato, so you want to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Add that to your bowl, and then from there you are going to add your seasonings. Yes, you want to add your herbs and your spices. You can choose to use whatever you want to use to make this your own. If you want to go teriyaki, if you want to go lemon pepper, if you want to go garlic parmesan, whatever your desire is for this one, that's what you're gonna be doing. All right, for this one I think I want to go lemon pepper. Yes, with a little bit of vibes. So that's where we're going, guys. So let us grab this salmon and get seasoning. Yes man.
All right, so we have them cut up here in bite-sized pieces, and ready for step number 2.
Lemon pepper, and this is from one restaurant, because guys, if this is one of our secret, we don't throw in nothing where we get from us. Save the lemon pepper.
It's called, what's that called?
Saving the lemon pepper.
No, it starts with re.
Rehabilitation.
No, go on again.
Reconstitution.
No, go on again.
So you see me, and of course we have to put garlic powder,
Bit tough.
a little Larry's seasoned salt, a little oregano.
Let me see it.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, oregano right there. All right. And I like to pull off the thyme off the stem. My mama don't like that. But when you're doing sometime a delicate dish like these, pulling off the thyme is essential. When you do hearty meats and this heavy meat, you can save the thyme skin. But when you do it delicate, you want to pull it off and just. So at this point, we wanted to transfer our potatoes from the microwave to our toaster oven. As you can see, guys, we're live, so we're talking to our live audience. So now we're just cutting up our carrots and scallions and our onions and making sure that we get them into nice bite-sized chunks. We're going to be sauteing our salmon at this point. Yeah. And of course, this is a relatively quick saute. You want to make sure that them come out nice and firm, not too crispy, but it's up to you. All right. So we just get everything into our coconut oil and we're sauteing our salmon. I might have used a little bit too much oil, but don't come for me, guys. You can sort it out yourself. I'm putting some scotch bonnet pepper because I like the flavor. Again, you can put whatever you so choose. And once the salmon has been nicely, brown on one side, you just turn them over and you get ready now to build your sauce up. All right. I am adding in my scallion and my onions now. And then I'm going to be, adding in some other little ingredients just to make this into a nice little sauce. If you want to use butter, use butter. I'm using a little bit of garlic, and this is the garlic in the bottle. Then I'm adding in my carrots, and guys, you can see it start look good already. You see what I'm saying? Start look good already. All right. And of course, my thyme, adding in my thyme, and then I'm squeezing some lemon. Yes, you can make your lemon pepper sauce how you like it. This is just my version. All right. Once I squeeze in some lemon, I have a little bit of coconut milk, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add to this as well, just to build a little vibes. Yeah, just a little vibes, guys. Nothing over the top, right? And of course, there you have it, guys. This is pretty much done. I'm just using a little bit of water for the finishing there, and then finish up with my green onion, the top of the scallion. All right, so my potatoes were roasted in the oven. Take them out, and now you want to just take a knife and cut up a slit down the side of the potato. Then, working with a hot potato, be careful. You use a napkin or whatever, and you just squeeze the potato to open it up. Then you take a fork and you rake up the inside of the potato. If you wanted, you could add a little coconut oil to this, or a little butter, whatever you so choose, little mayonnaise, whatever you so choose. We're just going with it as it is for the sauce. All right. Now we want to dress the plate, guys. Remember, if you can get your potato out, hopefully it doesn't stick. Get your potato out. Yes, put it on the center of the plate. It's gonna be presented with the skin, so it's gonna be a stuffed sweet potato, right? So now you have your potato already. You want to get your salmon and you want to start to pour. Of course, you have to dress up the plate. Make sure say the plate look good, look nice, look appealing to the eye. All right, little tomato, little broccoli, and then I'm ready to put my salmon on. Guys, I promise you, this was so delicious. You understand? This really, really worked. You can try this in your neck of the woods. Of course, you don't have to use salmon. You can use chicken. You can use beef. You can use pork. Whatever so choose, you can use. Here, I'm just adding a little ranch dressing just for aesthetics to make the plate look nice. All right? And of course, that is it, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome plate of food. I promise you. Full satisfaction. Of course, we go live every Tuesday on TikTok and every Thursday on YouTube. We're adding a little bit of apple juice to this right now. Apple juice, some type of juice. And of course, guys, there is the finished product. Yeah. Join us now live on Yardie TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends about what we're doing over here at Yardie TV. Peace out and big up.